are L, M, and V lash produced at CharmLash. Our lashes are made of Korean and German PBT fiber, cruelty-free and no animals testing. Strict fiber quality inspection before production. The lashes are kudo be desired lengths. It's time for curling process. The lash fiber is curled with lash tube. After taking lash strip out from the tube, it's time for curl inspection. Then the lash tray is put into box. Our popular special curls collection. Super dense and deep black. Not free. Easy to fans on strip. Lashes sizes are consistent per strip. There is no glue residue left on lashes after picking up. I'll curl lashes and the outcome. M curl lashes and the outcome. V curl lashes and the outcome.